Firstly, I will take boiled and mashed potatoes in a bowl. Mash the potatoes in the hot pan so to remove the extra moisture and water from it. When the water gets completely evaporated from it, let it cool at room temperature. Now I will add the onions and let it get fried till it became hash brown in color. Fry the onions in the medium flame only. Don't burn the onions here. Here I will fry the red chili. So here I am having my mashed potato. Now I will crunch all the red chilies which I already fried and I will add it into the mashed potatoes. Next I will add cumin powder in it. It is cumin and red chili powder. It's a mixture of cumin and red chili powder. Next I will add chaat masala in it. And now I will add the fried onions which I already fried and it is already hash brown in color. Add all those things and give a good mixture to it. In this mixture I will add some salt in it for good taste and again give a good mixture to it. Now from the mixture I will make the potato patties. Give a good shape in your hand. Don't make too big patties, make a small patties. So my potato patties are ready. Now I will brush the oil into my non-stick pan. Use the non-stick pan so that the potato patties will not stick into it. And I will add all the potato patties into the pan and fry it. I will keep it into the medium to high flame, because if you give it in the medium to high flame then it will not stick to pan and it will have a very good shape in it. So just fry it. After some time just turn upside down and whenever it's done remove it from the gas. Here I am turning them upside down. You can see it's almost done. It's already brownish in color. And now I will take it out from the hot pan. So now I will make the lachha paratha for the tacos, and here I am adding 1 cup of atta, 1 cup of maida, some salt for good taste and some oil in it. I am using ActiHeart Nature Fresh oil here and use the water to make a plain good dough. Here my dough is completely ready and I will now add some oil from top for good moisture, and later I will take a wet cloth and keep the wet cloth into that dough so to make a good moisture and rest it for 15 to 30 minutes. Now I will take out my dough. Knead it properly for 2 to 3 minutes because it contains oil in it, so knead it properly. And now I will make it into small dough and make the good parathas like chapati and naan here. For this I am making lachha paratha here. I will add some atta and maida in it and make the circular structure properly. It's almost done. And now I will make a fold and crease to the paratha. You can see here. Make a very small folds here. This is almost done, and now I will roll it from top side. Roll it properly till bottom and give a good smash to it, and now again make the good circular structure to it. My lachha paratha is almost ready. Now I will keep it into my frying pan or the non-stick tawa. Now I will brush the oil into my non-stick pan and add my lachha paratha here. Flip the lachha paratha for 2 to 3 times. When you see it's hashed down in color, then it's done. Don't burn the paratha here. You can see my paratha is almost ready. And I will take this out from the gas. So my lachha paratha, my aloo patty is almost ready. Now here I am taking some cheese and that chili sauce in it. You can also add the harissa sauce. I am not having harissa sauce, so I am adding the chili sauce in it. Now I will add the cheese into it and then the aloo patties into it and then just fold it. Now I will keep it again into the my non-stick pan and fry it for a minute, and I'm adding here some oil in it for good texture. After it's done, just remove it from the gas. I will make some 2 more tacos here. My potato crispy taco mexicana is ready. If you like this video, please comment down below and like, subscribe and share my video.